We have the Osmo Action 5 Pro and the Osmo Action 4 camera, and we have the DJI Osmo remote control to control those cameras, and I'm here to show you how this works. Okay, let's take the Action 5 and turn it on. We have here a setting that is called Bluetooth remote controller. In the setting, you can turn on and off the wake up camera function, where you can wake up the camera within 8 hours after you turn it on once, to wake it up and turn it on and off with the remote control. Okay. The Osmo Action 4 has the same settings in the menu, but you can only turn it on 30 minutes after. So let me turn this camera on. Let's go into the same updating Bluetooth remote controller. But the Bluetooth remote controller, as you can see here, is not on. There is no update taking place. Here, this thing is not on. You see that? This is off. You see the LED is off. When I click here, it doesn't come on. It's not on at all. But the camera here is updating the Bluetooth remote controller. Look at this. Now, let me turn this off. Okay, so what is this about? Can you turn this off? No, look. This camera is locked up in this mode, and the Bluetooth controller is not on. I don't know what happens after 2 minutes. Like any normal device that does anything like this, a function like this, should have a timeout. So after 2 minutes, you know. But giving update failed. Restart camera unit and try again. Can you see this? Update failed. Restart camera unit and try again. Now confirm. See what that does. So why would it try again? So who triggered this update? You know, and when? Not this remote. It's off. It's so much fun to work with something that is not tested right. So I hope you enjoyed this version. It was meant to be a video that explains how this works, but then we got this error again. I'm gonna try another time. I will one day. I will show you guys how this is supposed to work. Okay, if there's no more software updates in that regards. Hope you enjoyed this one. I see you in the next video.